Guys, what's up? We're up with another video. Caden made a slime, but the video got cut off.
And here it is, guys. It is
Whoa!
so cool. This is honestly slime.
Let me see it good.
It turned out so good.
Oh, it feels so cool.
If you want us to make you slime, well, I don't know. Never mind.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna.
Okay, that's the joke for that's the joke for this video.
Yeah. So I'm gonna wash my hands since my hands got kind of messy.
I gotta wash my one hand.
Here, I'll turn on the water.
Look at that nice rock.
Okay, so now we are gonna be making Michael's slime. I'll hold the camera for you, Michael. What color?
I got the water already.
What color slime are you gonna make? Wait, where's the color tablet? What color? I think you should make purple.
Purple?
They don't have red.
I'm gonna do purple.
Purple? Okay, I want to see how this turned out. I feel like it's gonna look like a grape. Yeah. Okay, dump it in. This is the most satisfying part ever.
Wait, is there water in it? I think I need more water. Right?
Yeah, go ahead. Just a little bit more. Just a little. Okay, yeah, that's good.
Look at this, guys.
It looks like a rose. It looks so cool.
More?
No, it's good. Because it's going to dissolve. Now, the next step is to add the glue. So I'm going to add 1/2 of a gallon of glue.
Not yet. It's still dissolving.
Okay.
Caden's gonna. The glue looks really cool inside that, guys.
Yeah. Sorry it got cut off. But it's going to turn out like this, but pink.
Yeah, and it's gonna be a lot bigger. It's gonna be a lot more borax.
Alright, you ready? Wait,
Caden, move your-
I have to do the cup.
Yeah. Oh, let me see, Caden.
Hang on, I'm just going to take off the lid.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Oh, gosh. I feel like I want to eat this.
It's crazy. I
Yeah.
didn't say anything. I didn't say anything, right, guys? Make sure to say no on the comments.
It might be a little bit more glue, but this is the slime, so you'll have more slime than me, probably. Where's the bowl? Here it is, guys.
Here
You
we
ready?
go.
In 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Look how awesome this is. Yeah.
Get like a spoon, scoop it out.
Yeah. Yeah, here. Give me one of the
Sticks?
Here, I got this one. Yeah.
Oh, guys, it's so cool. Let's see Caden. Whoa, guys, look at that. Watch your arm, Caden. Look at that.
It looks like a
guys.
spider. Like a really big spider scorpion kind
Look
of
at
thing.
that.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna mix it this time. Right?
Alright.
So I'm just gonna leave that in there.
What? Spoon?
Okay, so we need the boards. So
First off, all of it in.
No, do it to 2.5. See that 2.5? I'd say that's good. We just used it all, guys. It's cool. We're good.
We still only got to 1.5.
It's good. Okay, just dump it in.
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
No! Did that just go out that quick? What the heck? Alright, now it's time for the best part. Mix it all around. Hey, I'm mixing it this time. Hey, you mix it a little bit, then I'll mix it
Oh,
a
my
little
color tablet's still in here.
bit. Here, I'll mix it up now.
Oh, mine's is coming out good.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, it's still kind of glue.
Here, let me mix it up a little bit.
Yeah, you need to mix it up really
Here,
good.
hold this. Fine, just hold it. Okay, so I feel like I'm mixing like food that's really slimy. Whoa. Wait, it's still like
glue. It's still a lot of borax in it.
Yeah.
I think we had a little too much borax.
Are we gonna mix it all together?
Yeah.
Like my slime and yours? This is
I'm gonna set you guys up. Right, wait.
wrong way, Mikey. Is this turning out good? Whoa.
Alright, Caden, hold this for 1 second. I'm gonna get your slime.
Wait, it's not slime yet. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to make it like a little bit watery, okay?
Alright.
So bring it over here. Just add just a little.
Caden, your slime's actually slime.
Is it really? Good. This slime's gonna be really good. Yours is gonna be like a watery kind of slime.
Whoa. Look at that. Looks like a tornado. Is my slime even still in there?
Whoa.
Alright, hold this.
Okay, so we're gonna dump all of our slime.
Caden, now hold it.
Mine turned out good.
Hold it.
Should I drop it?
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hold this. Hold this.
Hang on.
Hold this.
Here,
Let's see how my
you
slime
can
feels.
you can dump the water. Dump the water. Oh my gosh.
Now let's mix it.
This is gonna be purple.
See how my slime turned out. Whoa. Look at this.
It turned purple. Did you just break?
Let's combine it all up.
It's not gonna work. Should we add some glue in? Whoa. Just dump it in. Just drop it. Whoa. Let's add a little bit more glue. Ready, guys? I'm going to add a little bit more glue so that it can be more...
so sick.
Hold this up, Mikey. Look at that. It turned purple.
Oh. The awesome slime ever.
Okay, hold it up. I'm going to add some more glue.
Ready.
Hey, guys, if we run out of glue, we got that big jug over there. So.
Gallon of glue.
Ready in 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Now it's time for the best part.
Start.
We're going to have to add some borax. No, there's borax in here.
Should we add that powder?
No, that's going to be in our next video that we're going to make really soon.
Okay.
Whoa. Guys, look at this.
Whoa. Don't get that thing, that borax, that
I know, guys, look at it. It just turned into like a lob.
Look at it.
Oh. Guys, there's still so much borax in here.
Alright, can you hold? Let me see it now.
Look at how this turned out.
Let me see it now.
Ah, my hands are so wet. Didn't it turn out awesome?
Whoa.
This is awesome. You guys should try and make this at home. We bought this kit off of Amazon. It was so worth it. It was only
Kid wasn't only like $10.
it was like 15 or something like that.
That's so expensive for this whole kit. Whew, look at this.
Shout
Guys,
out to
look at it.
shout out to
We-
Amazon.
From all the glue, look at what it did to one of the sides.
Yeah. Oh, and shout out to Ethan for getting first comment on one of our videos. If you guys want a shout out, just get the first comment, okay? And Sean Durkin for the video. Before that, I just burped. Sorry, Sean.
You're a disrespect, Sean.
Sean, you're a burp.
New nickname, Burp.
Wait, Mikey, you should add the rest of the blue.
No. That's borax.
Okay, here. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
too.
This video is gonna be ending in 10,